cannot pay it. But did you know that 2 or 5% of term life pay out? Stop it. Stop with the term life. 2 or 5% of term life pays out. Young people are telling me, oh, I have to grab it, or listen to me, foolishness. Foolishness. You don't know when you're going to die. So if you are betting against your own life, that's your business. You have money throwing away. So term life is no good. I tell you this. Term life is no good. Don't buy term. Do not buy term life. See me stop and arrest.